A radio call.
Yeah, I've got it. Gatesby traffic, Golf Papa Hotel, lining up 10 Gatesbury. Nose down. Good, go round. Nose down. Nose down. And whatever you got straight ahead of you, go round.
See, I'm miles away. Yeah. How do you
Go around the corner. Go around. Don't be land it. Right, so it's called abort. Just turn away from the water. Now go the other way. So you have got these ones going back uphill.
Yeah.
So when you've got a western wind, they're not bad. The other option, of course, is you might want to land outside the circuit. You might see something out there. You can take the obelisk. There you go. You might see something out on that side, which is better. Make sense?
Yeah.
Just use base leg.
Yeah.
We might even, if you're sure you can make it, go slightly past.
Oh.
Now turn back.
Sweet.
Turn back. Turn back.
Speed
Turn
of the
back.
turn.
Turn
Speed
back.
of the turn.
Turn back. Turn back.
Speed of the
Turn
turn.
back. Turn back. Okay. Now straighten up. And we've done less turn. Look at that. Now we can grab second stage. See how that worked? Yep. So we did less turn.
Speed of the turn.
See, down to grass. Just hold it. Just hold it. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch the nose wheel. Gently braking. Don't touch the nose wheel. Hold it back. Hold it back. Hold it back. Hit brake. Hold it back. There you go. Look at that. Got it. And so Mr. Baseleg is our friend. Can you see? And actually, one of the most easy ways to modify our approach is use the base leg. We can cut the corner, we can do a proper base leg, or we can slightly extend the base leg and turn back and do an S-turn. And that was a really no dramas way of controlling our height and speed, wasn't it? Yeah, breathe.
Alright. Ready to go?
Yep.
Max verbs. First to live. 2 seconds to normal.
Engine failure. Down to the grass. Hold it. Ooh, hold it. See, this second stage goes. Still.
Did not have time for second stage.
Yes, it did.
You did, I did not.
But it helped, didn't it?
It did help, yeah. Yeah.
Pull the stick towards you, the stick comes straight back. There you go. Lovely. Off we go. Straight round. Right. Takes a piece of normal. Yeah, so how it changes.
From my edge.
Well, what would you do now?
I would nose down.
And what have you got an head up on this? Thank you. 600 feet. Okay. Now we'll turn down towards the tarp. There we go. And the point where you go, do you know what? What's your option? Do you think you can cut the corner maybe and get back into the FF from here? So, if in doubt, cut the corner.
Am I in doubt? Oh, I am in doubt, aren't I? Oh, wow, I'm in doubt.
So cut the corner. Cut the corner, cut the corner. 60, don't waste it. So remember I said maybe that, where do you position our base leg for the point where we just think we might just have a paper bag's hope in hell, yeah. So here we are, 200 feet.
Hope in hell, have we?
Keep it there, keep it coming down.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Straighten this up.
So,
airspeed. Second stage of flat. There we go, nose down. And in we go. Look at that. Don't touch the grass.
not gonna.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's my grass. Don't touch it. Don't touch the nose wheel. My nose wheel. Don't touch it. Stick well back. Finding the brakes. Stick well back. Stick well back. There you go. There you go.
Hey, that was good, wasn't it?
That was better.
Versus runway behind.
Okay.
Okay.
Backwards. Line. It's normal. There you go. See? Now you want to see. Now you want to get that. Now you want to get your nose up.
Yeah.
But you're thinking.
Yeah.
You got that little. that little nervous twitch.
Just in case.
Yeah. So same thing. Thinking, could I get back to the field? Yeah, maybe. So now you can feel getting a bit far. I need to start turning. You
Yeah.
see, you're looking to go. I'd have to at this height. I'd have to turn to make sure I could get back to the field.
Yeah.
Now you're going. Actually, now I probably could make it. Yeah. So
Yeah.
now you can close the bubble and show me how you'd go glide it back in from here. And if you go, well, actually, I think I've got bags of time. We'll just fly the base leg. Fly the base leg. Fly the base leg. Don't go too fast, because if you go above 62, anytime you want that second stage of flap, you can't have it.
You've run out of it, yeah.
That we're getting blown back in towards the airfield with a little bit of... So what might we do that's going to help? Are we a bit too high still?
Yes.
So we could extend the base leg.
Yeah. That's what I was doing, yeah.
There we go. Think about that cone. We don't want to exceed the cone, so turn back in. Nose down. Turn. Turn. See? Fly. See how we're coming down that cone?
Yeah.
And when you're definitely sure you can make it, second stage of flap, grab it. Nose down.
One high.
Nose down. There you go. Now, float. 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 Float, float, float. Stick back. Stick back. Stick back. Stick back. See, you still got float. There you go. There you go.
Oh.
Now find your brake. There, you see? And you're using the wing as a big old air brake.
Yeah.
Look at the difference. Yeah? That's what's it. Use it. Use it.
Way more. I was at like 80%, not 100%.
Exactly. So we can
I just didn't want to. I didn't want to flare it too much, but
we can do that fully flared landing. Yeah.
in like increments, or just
exactly.
fully
But you
flare it and then let it go and flare it.
No. It just goes like a little ratchet. Click, 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 click. But you had, as I said, you go, oh, the stick's all the way back. No, it's not. Look, you've got that.